For custom aluminum extrusions, Momentum Manufacturing Group has one of the most advanced operations in North America, able to support a range of alloys and tempers. With two state-of-the-art 8-inch aluminum extrusion press lines, high-efficiency quenching and automated handling systems, we can produce precision dimensional tolerances, tightly controlled mechanical properties, and exceptional surface finishes for even the most complex extruded aluminum shapes. ISO-certified processes and consistent review and testing procedures ensure we meet our customers' form, fit, function, and aesthetic requirements. With downstream capabilities for aluminum component machining, fabrication, assembly, and fulfillment services, we offer a complete manufacturing solution. See for yourself how MMG can simplify your supply chain.